Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to design a wooden desk using craftyamigo.com. I'll show you step by step, in a quick and easy way, thanks to a new feature on the platform. How do we achieve this? Let's get started. Let's start designing our wooden desk. For that, we need a blank page. So let's click on this plus, and we'll need the profile that's 10 inches wide by 1 inch high. We select the profile and edit its length to 50 inches. Now let's click on this plus and choose the same profile. Now I'm going to show you the new feature we have on the platform, the alignment feature. To do this, we're going to click on Move. And you'll notice that a panel of dots appears. The point you choose is where we want our profile to move. So if I click on this point here, the profile will align perfectly with the other one at the point where we clicked. For example, if I click on the opposite point, our profile will align perfectly with the other side. But for our design, we need it right here. Once we're in this spot, we're going to edit its length to 50 inches. Next, we're going to click on this profile. Click on this plus. Select the 10-inch profile and choose the third option. We'll rotate it 90 degrees and move it to the right. Remember to use the new alignment feature. We select one of the points, and this profile will align perfectly with the other one. Now we edit its length to 27 inches and do the same on the other side. Let's click on this profile. Then click on this plus. Select the 10-inch profile. Go to the third option and rotate it 90 degrees. Next, we're going to move this profile to the right. Select the desired point, and it will align perfectly. Now we edit its length to 27 inches. And do the same on the other side. Let's click on this profile. Click on this plus. Select the 10-inch profile. Go to the third option and rotate it 90 degrees. We're going to click on Move and select the point where we want this profile to move. In this case, to the right. We're to edit its length to 27 inches. Select Profile, choose 10-inch, rotate 90 degrees, and align it. Edit length to 27 inches. We're going to click on this profile. Select the 10-inch profile. Choose second option, move to bottom. Two options work similarly. Move to corner or midpoint. In this case, I will use the midpoint. And then we will edit its length to 26 inches. Next, on this profile, we're going to click on this plus. Select the 10-inch profile. Choose the third option and rotate it 90 degrees. Now, with the points, we're going to move this profile to the top. Once it's in place, we'll edit its length to 16 and 25 inches. Now on this profile, we're simply going to click on this plus, and we need the same 10-inch profile. We'll select the second option and rotate it 90 degrees. Now we position it using the points. We select the midpoint at the top. And then, we'll edit its length to 26 inches. Next, we're going to click on this profile. Click on this plus, and we need the 10-inch profile. We'll select the third option and rotate it 90 degrees. Now we're going to move it to the bottom using some points. Once it's in place, we're going to adjust the offset parameter. This will help us move the profile precisely up or down. Let's go to the second option and set the value to 1 inch. As you can see, the profile has moved exactly 1 inch up, but you can also use negative numbers. In this case, I'll set the value to 1 inch. And then I'm going to edit the length of this profile to 16 and 25 inches. Next, we're going to click on this profile, click on this plus, and we need the 10-inch profile. We'll go to the third option, rotate it 90 degrees, and edit its length to 16 and 25 inches. Alright, finally, we're going to need a profile that's 6 inches wide by 1 inch high. Let's click on this profile, then click on this plus, and choose the 6-inch profile. We're going to the second option, and now we're going to align it perfectly. Let's click on this point here, and then on the top left corner point. Once it's in place and perfectly aligned, going to edit its length to 50 inches. And that's it. With this, we've finished designing our wooden desk. It was very easy and straightforward to achieve thanks to the new alignment feature, which allows us to move one profile exactly with another and align them perfectly. Let me know in the comments what other projects you would like me to do to guide you step by step on how to design them on this platform. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to comment. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.